Hi, Lucas. Welcome to our lesson today. How are you? Oh, great. Okay, that's nice to hear. Welcome to our lesson. All right. But before we talk about this lesson, let's have a quick review of our lesson last time. Can you remember the topic that we talked about last time? You are right. So we'll learn about clothes. Very good. Okay. Lucas, can you remember the different clothes we learned from the previous lesson? One, give me an example of clothes. Shirt. Very good. Number two, shorts. Yes. What else? Trousers. Good job. Four, t-shirt. Do you have another example of clothes, Lucas? Right. Sweater. Yes. What else? Jacket. Uh-huh. Do you have more example? Skirt. Perfect. Last one. Socks. All right. Excellent work, Lucas. Good job. All right. Now, let's go to our lesson today. So today we will talk about, let's read the title, jobs. Yes. All right. So do you know what is a job, Lucas? Yes. This is what we do for a living. All right. Can you make a guess? What is my job? What I do for a living? What do I do for a living? A teacher. Yes, I'm a teacher. Very good. And in our lesson, we are going to talk about different kinds of jobs. Okay? Let's go. Let's have number one. Let's learn new words. Let's read it again. Police officer. Police officer. Yes. All right. Number two. Mm-hmm. Let's read it again. Builder. Builder. Yes. All right. Next. Football player. Read it one more time. Football player. Yes. All right. Number four. Teacher. Right. Teacher. Say it again. Teacher. Very good. All right. Five. Zookeeper. Let's read it again. Zookeeper. All right. Excellent work, Lucas. Well done. Okay. So now, all right. So let's practice this word more. These words more. Okay. So let's have number one, Lucas. Will you drag the clothes for the zookeeper? Zookeeper, right. Okay, number two, the clothes for the police officer. Perfect. Number three, football player. Great job. Number four, builder. Well done, Lucas, and a teacher. Good job. So let's say it again. Who is number one? She is. Who is she? She is a zookeeper. All right. Oh, let's write it. Oh, number one. She is a zookeeper. Will you read it again, Lucas? She is a zookeeper. Very good. Okay. Number two. Who is she? She is a police officer. Right. Let's read it again, Lucas. She is a police officer. Very good. Number three, who is she? Yes. Very good, Lucas. Let's read it again. Let's read the sentence. She is a football player. Good job. Number four, who is he? He is a builder. Right. Let's read. He is a builder. Very good. All right. Next one. Who is he? He is a teacher. Yes. Let's read that sentence. Lucas, he is a teacher. Good job. All right. Well done, Lucas. Now, okay, let's learn more about this job. All right. Who is he again? He is a football player. Right? What do football players do, Lucas? Right. They play football. All right. Good job. All right. Next. Who is he? He is a teacher. Let's read it again. He is a teacher. Very good. All right. Lucas, what do teachers do? Yes, they help and teach children how to learn. All right, very good. Next one. Who is she? She is a zookeeper. Let's read one more time. She is a zookeeper. All right. What does a zookeeper do, Lucas? Yes, they take care of the animals in the zoo. What is your favorite animal in the zoo, Lucas? Oh, a monkey. You like monkeys. Why do you like monkeys? They are cute. Okay. Well done, Lucas. Okay, next one. Oh, who is he? He is he is a builder, right? Let's read it again. He is a builder. What do builders do, Lucas? You are right. They build buildings, big buildings, and houses. Right. Okay. And the last one, who is he? Mhm. Yes, police officer. Let's read the sentence, Lucas. He is he is a police officer. What do police officers do? What do they do? They help our community and people safe. Okay. Right. And good job for today's lesson. Again, right? So today we learn about jobs, Lucas. And you did a great job using new vocabulary and for speaking confidently. All right. So that's it for today. I'll thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. See you next time. Bye.